Hello, beautiful day. Na-miss ko to mag-share ng skincare product. Dito talaga ako nagsimula from YouTube. So, kung naka-follow kayo, because you are a subscriber from my YouTube channel, so, content creator tayo ng going 6 years? Yes, pero may mga times na hindi tayo consistent. So, I'm not as huge as the other content creators, but I can say I have tried a good enough set of skincare products, skincare brands, and iba-ibang texture, iba-ibang ingredients na. So, it's safe to say na alam ko na what really works on my skin and ano yung mga texture or ingredients na hiyang ako. So now, I have these 2 sunscreen right here. So, 2 brands, 2 different reasons of usage. So, dalawa siya kasi Hello Glow Sun Care Stick, SPF 60+, PA+++ with UVA, UVB protection, and with moisture boost. So, this one ginagamit ko on days that I don't feel like wearing anything. I don't feel like wearing makeup. So, kung Saturdays or Sundays, kung walang work, nandito lang sa bahay, ito yung ginagamit ko to rest my skin. Kasi lightweight siya and at the same time, kahit sunscreen siya, may coverage siya. So, what I do is, nagsi-skincare muna ako. Ampule or cream, whatever that is applicable sa akin or accessible on that specific day. So, sunscreen. So, serum or ampule. Ayan. And then, this sunscare stick. Ang maganda kasi dito, guys, is para siyang may coverage. Parang nafi-filter out niya yung pore ko. Ayan. So, ganito pa siya kahaba. Nakulangan na to, guys. Mas mahaba pa to kasi nagamit na eh. Ayan. Ayan. Siyempre, pag naka-bare skin ka, kita yung mga pores mo, kita yung mga dark spots, lalo na ako, na acne-prone skin ako. So, yung mga acne marks ko, yung iba, hindi talaga natatanggal-tanggal agad. Meron talagang mga grayish na siya, from black, naging red, tapos naging gray. Yung process ng pag-heal pa ng, or pag-fade pa ng dark spots, nandyan pa. So, with this one, parang nafi-filter out siya. Parang skin ko pa rin, but lesser yung appearance ng pores. Ayan. Ayan, parang makinis tignan. That's what I love with this product. Tapos magaan lang siya sa mukha. Hindi malagkit as well. Ayan, from Hello Glow. Now, I have this one, another one from the brand Skin 104, one of my favorite Korean brands. This one is the Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA 4+. So, this one is broad spectrum. So, it protects your skin from UV rays that is burning your skin and aging your skin. This one naman, hindi siya broad spectrum, pero I don't mind kasi I love the texture, the creaminess, but hindi ganun ka-cream kasi watery fit sunscreen siya. So, may pagka-watery siya. So, konti lang ilalagay ko para lang mapakita ko sa inyo. This one without white cast. So, double layer na tayo ng sunscreen, no? Ito naman, ito yung mas ginagamit ko on a daily basis. This one. Kasi maganda rin siya as makeup primer. So, para mas kumapit ang aking makeup and mas maganda yung finish ng aking makeup, ito yung sunscreen ko bago mag-makeup. I'm not saying that this is a good primer, but since it's water fit, since medyo watery yung consistency niya, magaan siya sa mukha. Mabilis din siyang ma-absorb. Kaya pag nagpapatong ako ng makeup, hindi ganun kabigat yung feeling. Well, actually, okay rin naman with this one. But mas okay siya. Mas okay to siya, si Centella, pag under makeup. So, yun guys, check this 2 out. I'm pretty sure hindi lang ako ang nagre-rave ng mga products na to.